The ever-benevolent form of Lord Rudra is Batuk Bhairav. What makes Batuk Bhairav truly extraordinary is that he embodies not only the innocence of a child, but also holds within him all the immense power of the Ashta Bhairav and the 5 forms of Rudra. He is the fastest among all Bhairav forms, always ready to change the course of destiny itself for the welfare of his devotees. I don't think people understand just how unique this form of Shiva truly is. Batuk Bhairav is innocence and cosmic power combined. Let's uncover his incredible story. Batuk Bhairav isn't just a child. He's Lord Shiva as an 8-year-old, radiating pure innocence yet holding supreme power. Always by his side is his loyal dog, his divine vāhana, journeying the cosmos with him in joyful wonder. Look closer, his sacred thread isn't ordinary, but made of living serpents, showing how even the Nagas bow to his gentle strength. He is deeply loved by the great divine mothers, Bhavani, Kalika, Tara and Tripura Sundari, who shower him with compassion and blessings. And around him stand the 8 mighty Bhairavas, Asitanga, Ruru, Krodha, Chanda, Unmata, Kapala, Īśāna and Samhara, eternal protectors ensuring his safety. Even the celestial Ganas and all divine beings worship this child, for Batuk Bhairav grants boons with the simplest smile. As told in the sacred Agama Shastras, Batuk Bhairav perfectly balances divine power with pure childlike innocence. Chant with devotion, Om Batuk Bhairavaya Nama.